Hello everyone, my name is Gea Emalia Putri. My student ID number is 632509117. And today I would like to talk about something that makes our country truly unique. The diversity of Indonesian cuisines. As we know, Indonesia is an archipelago with thousands of islands. And this reflects perfectly in the food we eat every day. Indonesian food is not just about one flavor, it is a symphony of spices. From the western part of Indonesia, we have the world famous rendang from West Sumatra, which is rich in coconut milk and spices. Moving to Java, we can find the sweet and savory taste of gudeg or the freshness of soto. If we travel further east, the flavors change again. In Sulawesi, we can taste the spicy and sour coto Makassar. And in Papua, there is the unique papeda. What makes our cuisine special is the philosophy behind it. Each dish tells a story about the local culture, the history, and the natural resources of that specific regions. In conclusion, the diversity of our food is a symbol of our motto Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, unity in diversity. By exploring Indonesian cuisines, we are also learning to appreciate our culture heritage. Let's be proud of our food and share it with the world. Thank you for your attention.
Hi everyone, it's really present lesson of football knot. Let's start with the basic questions. What are countable nouns? These are individual things like objects, people, places, or animals that we can count using numbers. Because we can count them, they have both singular and plural forms. For example, we can say 1 apple or 3 apples, a book or many books, and 5 students in classrooms. Now, let's look at the difference between singular and plural. We use the singular form when we talk about only one thing. We use the plural form when we talk about 2 or more things. For example, singular, a cat is on the sofa. Plural, 2 cats are on the sofa. We also use specific adverb of what if you like a and an. We use a before singular nouns that start with the consonant sounds like a dog or a banana. We use an before singular nouns starting with the vowel sounds like an orange or an apple. Important note, never use a or an with plural nouns. Always say apples, not an apples. How do we make a non-plural? For most possible nouns, we simply add an S to the end of the word. For example, pen becomes pens, cup becomes cups, and table becomes tables. Some nouns need an ES instead. This happens when a word ends in S or SS like buses or glasses. SH or CH like dishes or watches. X or O like boxes or tomatoes. If a noun ends in Y, there are 2 rules. If there is a consonant before the Y, change Y to I and add ES. For example, babies, cities, and stories. If there is vowel before the Y, just add S. For examples, boys, is, and dates. When we want to talk about a large number of consumable items, we use many. We often use how many to ask questions. For examples, how many books are in your bag? Or I don't have many friends in Delhi. To describe small numbers, we use few and a few. Few means not enough. It has a negative feelings, like saying, I have few ideas, meaning I need more. A few means some. It has a positive feelings, like saying, I have a few ideas, meaning that's a good start. Here is how we use some and any in sentence. In positive sentence, use some. For example, I have some apples. And negative sentence and questions use any. For example, I don't have any apples. Or do you have any apples? For request, we use some. For example, would you like some apples? To summarize, here is the difference. Countable nouns can be counted, have plural forms, use a and few, and answer the questions how many. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted individually. They describe a class or concept. Have no plural form, use much, little, some, and answer the question how much. That concludes my presentation. Thank you for your attention and